Hola amigos, amigas. Hey friends and friends. My sister funny, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing this look right here. If you want to see the tutorial, you can keep watching. Today we're doing a colorful eyeshadow look since I think y'all don't like the basic regular eyeshadow looks, so we're doing colorful today. I'm using Ultimate Eyeshadows by NYX. I'm going to apply it like here. Oh, actually that was a mistake. I need to prime first. I'm not setting the concealer because I want the eyeshadows to pop more.
Let me tell you something about the way she moves, yeah. Could bring a snowflake in June. Ice. She don't see me act a fool and never playing by the rules, no. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'ma take you down. I'ma take you.
And now I'm speeding through the process here.
Be right through this town all alone. I go hard and you go slow. Cause you can't even hang with this. But on some real shit, you a queen and I know I never tell you that. So just listen when I tell you hi. Wanna spend the rest of my life? Nah, well maybe not that much time with you. In the middle of the song I can stop this shit just to remind the whole planet that I rock this shit. I'm talking leader of the class like some Proctor shit. I'm on a roll and not referring to my lobster dish. Okay, we back now. I'ma take you down.
Okay, this one's not showing up. The earthy elements, I've used it in the past before and it's really old, but I like the orange shade, so I'm using it.
I'ma take you down, down, down with me. We were lost in Pasadena trying to burn an ounce of reefer. That's just straight sativa, got me smoking like Khalifa, but I ain't even on that. Hit it, never call back. Maybe I should fall back, or maybe I should find myself, or even look a little bit. I can't complain with 30 women in the crib though. Yeah, the king without the crown. But when I'm with you, we could tear this place down. Real talk.
So I'm cutting my crease off camera. If you want to see how I cut my crease, I have a cut crease makeup tutorial, and there I can show you how I cut my crease. But for this video, I don't want to take too long, so I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I applied. Okay, so I did everything off camera. So after I cut the crease, I added this pigment by NYX, Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Then for lashes, I Envy Iconic Collection. These are Iconic 07. This is pretty much how the eyes look. They're not exactly how I wanted them to be, but they're somewhat there. To me, the base of the makeup is what makes your foundation either look good or look bad. Moisturizer that I use, Balm.
Yeah. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and Drake's on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And now I like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm
Matte and Poreless. 238.
Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and Drake's on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And now I like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant. I've been in the cut doing it my way. Pushing, flipping triple digits on the highway. We could probably take it back to my place. And I'll show you what it's like to tell me that I never listen. Always been the type to make my own decisions. Never been the type to live in fear. Not making money from my intuition like that.
For concealer, you already know, bro. If you've been watching my videos lately, you already know what concealer I'm using. Go get a new one, so I'm so happy. I actually never mentioned the shade, but I use C5.
I've coming through hot finna know when I land. I'm getting more known from the old to Japan. Now I'm making these songs, got them all on my hands. Like you can find me at a crossroad, probably hitting demons up with my soul. I've been moving fast, if we talking cash, put that on the table pronto. I'm only saying what I gotta mention. If you want it, you should pay attention. I told my family I'ma make a living. Now they getting closer when I speak the vision. Like woo. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And now I like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And now I like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant.
I've been in the cut doing it my way. Pushing, flipping triple digits on the highway. And we could probably take it back to my place.
J-Ray.
And I'll show you what it's like to live with my
Cam?
name.
Let's go.
Lyrics are open, what's all in my head. I tore 'em around like it's cribs, yeah. This ain't a hobby, addiction is real. I'm doing this just for a fix. Calm from the 603 in the sticks. All black hoodies and brand new kicks. Shoot y'all shot, then half y'all missed. Got my crosshairs locked to the spark like a big light. I ain't never gonna give 'em some slack. You down with the lies, forgetting the facts. I could just tell you I'm getting these stacks, but truthfully, I gotta give it the tax. Lame, I've been just working my ass to the pain. Feeling like I've been afraid of the fame. I don't know why, guess I'm just going a little insane, yeah.
Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air.
I'm just gonna do gloss. I'm using e.l.f. lip lacquer in clear.
It's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And now I like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant.
That's the eye right there. Skin. I am feeling this. So you reached the end of the video. I will for sure keep doing colorful looks because they are my favorite thing to do. I ain't no basic bitch, so I do color. So yeah, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. You already know. I'll see you next time.